What's up everybody, welcome back. So today I'm sharing a smoothie recipe, and let me tell you, this is one of the best smoothie I've ever made. Honestly, you literally can smell and taste each fruit. This was so good and refreshing. So right here I have all the ingredients. I have some freshly chopped honeydew, 1.5 cups. You will need 1.5 cups of fresh frozen pineapple. You will need about a half a cup of water, 2 ripe passion fruit, half a lime juice, a piece of ginger, and some dates just for some added sweetness. So the next few steps are quite simple. Just add everything to your blender and blend until smooth. The lime have a distinct tropical flavor, so make sure that you use lime, not lemon. That's it, lovely people. This smoothie was so refreshing, so aromatic, so good. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss when I post another recipe, and until next time, bless up.